Hello, Honor Chem students. Just want to give you a brief lowdown on the lesson for this week. We are continuing our learning on energy today, and it's not a very long lesson, so it should be a fairly easy day. I do want to remind you that the Gizmo Lab that we assigned on Monday is due at the end of today, so if you need to, you can go ahead and take a look at that link. This is the link right here that would get you to that lesson. You're going to have to go to explorelearning.com. You're going to have to remember your login from third term. If you forget that, please don't hesitate to email me between 9:30 and 3:30, and I can help you guys get connected with that. I see on the data that there's about maybe a fourth of you that have completed that work for today. So you're going to want to make sure that happens. Also make sure that attendance gets taken. I've got just a really quick discussion on how was your weekend, and then today's learning. The learning for today is not very long. We're going to be talking about potential energy today. There is some calculations to do that. There's a worksheet to complete. And again, make sure that worksheet does get complete, because that's what your homework or your test will be like. And then there is the daily homework quiz that you will get homework points on. And you'll notice that is right here, and that is worth your 5 points for homework for the day. So that's important to get complete as well. Now, for some of you who are behind, I really am hoping that you guys can stay up with the workload that we're giving you, but I understand some of you guys have been sick, or if you've had a computer issue and you're a little bit behind, we do have a new process that I need in terms of the daily quizzes. If you are late in turning them in, please just let me know and send me a screenshot. I'm going to be putting in that data, and I have a couple people that are missing that data for today, so please send me a screenshot. That's it for the week, or for the day. Ms. Herring and I are going to talk about the learning for this week, and you should know that we're looking like we're assessing sometime next week. So what that assessment looks like, that's what we have to discuss this week, and we'll let you know as we get that figured it out. There you go. There's some English for you. All right. So don't forget, Gizmo Lab is due at the end of today, and the daily homework quiz end of today. Have a great one. Miss you guys. Go enjoy the sunshine.